next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now down to our third game this afternoon. It will be the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the UNC Greyhounds. Of course, makakasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta. Live na live po dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium.
Ayan, Tin, talagang napakaganda ng matchup between the Golden Knights and the Greyhounds because nag-aagawan sila dito sa panglimang spot on our Juniors Division. So this is very crucial for both teams. Again, live na live po tayo sa ating mga live stream partner. We have the Oragon Sports TV and One Media TV 48 Naga together with Bucal. At sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa ating mga Facebook handles, ano pa pong hinihintay nyo para lagi tayong updated dito sa loob ng basketball court. Again, these two teams, sino kaya ang magiging 5th spot sa ating Juniors Division? And everyone, nasa play-ins na po tayo ng ating Bucal Season 6. So napaka-intense na po ng mga matchup kaya dapat nating tutukan ang mga teams or iba't ibang players na naghaharap dito sa Bucal Season 6.
At ayun nga, Rick, parehong kupunan na po na ito ang Ateneo at ang ating UNC Greyhounds at parehong may 2 panalo at 8 talo. Kaya napakaganda yung magiging bakbakan nila ngayong hapon na ito dahil sabi nga natin kanina, 5th spot po yung pinaglalabanan nitong ating UNC and Ateneo. But ito, pag-usapan natin on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, kailangan pa talaga nilang tibayan yung depensa as well as the offense na ipinapakita nila dito. And during the elimination round, ito yung mga kailangan nilang i-adjust ngayon na nandito tayo sa play-in. Kaya naman sa bakbakan na kontra sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights, ano kaya yung magiging adjustment dito ng UNC Greyhounds para masiguro na makuha nila yung panlimang pwesto sa ating Juniors Division para sa ating quarterfinals. And to hear an update from the side of the Greyhounds, let's hear it from Zai. Hi Zai, anong update natin dyan?
Magandang hapon, Tin and Rick, and magandang hapon din sa ating viewers here on Bucal's official Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga. I am your courtside reporter, Shula Morizay Minyano, and I welcome you sa mainit na bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito, which is the Ateneo de Naga University and University of Nueva Cáceres. As they battle for the 5th spot, asahan ninyo ang intense na kaganapan sa loob ng hard court. Since Ateneo is known for their agility and deadly shooting, pero syempre naman hindi magpapatalo ang Greyhounds, which they are known for their chemistry and their tactics. Ano kaya ang mga kaganapan ngayon sa loob ng hardcourt? Tapatan natin ito at make sure to stay tuned only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much, Zai, for that update. So yun nga, tinabanggit mo kanina, UNC Greyhounds, they need to step up big time this match against the Golden Knights to secure that 5th spot. Now, nabanggit dito ni Zai na talagang pinaghandaan nila ang Ateneo Golden Knights because again, nagharap na ito ng 2 beses on our elimination round, and let's see kung na-familiarize na ba dito ng UNC Greyhounds ang galaw or nabantayan na ba dito yung mga dapat bantayan on the side of the Golden Knights. Yan ang aalamin natin sa report dito ni Veronica. Hi Via, anong update dyan?
Magandang hapon, Bucal fans. Is Veronica Nacorio, your courtside reporter live from the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. The play-in rounds are here and the gates could be much more higher as Ateneo Golden Knights go ahead in a fierce battle against the UNC Greyhounds for the 5th spot in Bucal Season 6. The Junior Golden Knights are ready to defend their home court and prove that they deserve a spot in the top tier, while the Greyhounds are determined to fight their way back. With both teams hungry for victory, this game promised to deliver non-stop action. Stay tuned live on One Media TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Thank you so much, Via. And with the home court advantage on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's see kung talagang madidefend nila yung pang-5 pwesto against the UNC Greyhounds. And now, as we can see, we have the first 5 for both the UNC and the Ateneo para sa pagsimula po ng ating matchup na to. Kaya let's see, ball possession, unang mapupunta from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 8 now. Abiog passes again to Bilano. Now on the other side, tries for a first 3, no good. Offensive rebound para sa side ng Golden Knights. Now Sarmiento passes on the outside, another. No good on that last attempt again on the side of the Golden Knights.
Greyhounds basketball. Jersey number 27. The ball possession, Hermosa. Passing the ball to his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. No good on that attempt para dito sa Greyhounds. Chance for the Golden Knights here to score. Abiog.
Now, Solomon goes inside, tries. First basket for the side of the Golden Knights here.
So again, matitignan natin dito or makikita natin Tin kung ano ang magiging adjustment itong Ateneo because nabanggit na natin on their previous match na kulang itong members dito ng Ateneo. So what would be the adjustment to fill the shoes ng mga nawalang players dito sa kanilang kupunan?
And yes, yan yung ating aabangan dito sa side ng ating Golden Knights. And of course, Bilano was there as well as Sarmiento na talagang gagabay sa team ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. But now let's see as the UNC Greyhounds on the offensive side. Passes to jersey number 27. Still no good here. Now Yap. Pero a steal from the side of the Greyhounds. Still no good here. Second chance. Wala pa rin para dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, Golden Knights. Bilano passes on the other side of Yog to Sarmiento. Mid-range jumper, no good. Greyhounds nahihirapan pa rin dito na pumuntos sa pagsisimula po ng ating first quarter. Now, Sunga. First basket was good here. At nakuha na nga ng Greyhounds sa kanilang unang puntos dito sa ating first quarter.
And Sunga tying up this match. Now, Ateneo basketball.
Bilano. 2-on-2. Back to Bilano. Pass here to Solomon. Now, Abiol tries on the other corner. No good.
Chance for the Greyhounds here para makuha ang lead para dito sa ating first quarter. No good. Offensive rebound dito coming from jersey number 16 pero heavily guarded by the 4 Golden Knights player.
Now, grabe yung defense ang pinapakita ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. But kailangan nilang paitingin din yung kanilang offense dito. Now, let's see as jersey number 16. Was a foul for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Salanga on that free throw opportunity. more time for him to have a 2-point advantage para dito sa early match or early quarter ng ating matchup. So, clean 2 basket para dito sa ating Greyhound side. Now, anong magiging sagot dito on the side of the Golden Knights?
Now, Amador. Now, let's see here. As we are now on the 7-minute mark of the game. Belano. Pass to Yap. 11 seconds. Fadeaway shot was good para dito kay Yap. Bumabawi naman agad itong ating Golden Knights para doon sa dalawang puntos na kalamangan ng UNC Realty.
Yes, if you are on this matchup, talagang ayaw mong paramihin or palakihin dito ang kalamangang hawak ng inyong opponents. So let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang pull away para sa pagsisimula ng matchup.
Na nagkakagawa ng bola dito, Solomon. Tries for a 3-pointer, no good. Grabe din yung defense na itinapakita ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. So it's also hard for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights here.
So expect na magiging dikit itong matchup ng dalawang ito because they are fighting for the 5th spot.
At pareho din yung kanilang standing during the
Yes.
elimination round with 2 wins and 8 losses.
So napakaganda ng matchup between these two. And a great steal coming from Belano. Passing the ball to Abiog. Basket count. Let's see on this replay. Samahan pa yan ng foul para dito kay Abiog. So another chance to add their score here.
Now, Abiog for a 3-point play here for the side of the Ateneo. That's good. Now, 5 minutes and 37 seconds on our first quarter here. Now, UNC on the offense. That's a great 3-pointer coming from Galano here.
Long 3 on that last sequence. Napakaganda at napakalinis ng 3-point shot na yon ni Galano.
Ano kaya yung pagbawi dito ng Ateneo? Tied on 7-all. Solomon, babawi sa 3. No good. Defensive rebound. Abiog with the ball. Now passes on the outside. Milano. 8 seconds to shoot here. Passes again to Solomon. Solomon goes inside. No good. One more time para dito kay Solomon pero wala pa rin.
Struggling on that offense. But now, what will be the answer on the side of the Greyhounds? No good for Hermosa.
Chance here for the Ateneo to take advantage. Belano passes to Abiog. Habana. Long two, no good.
Salanga securing that one at itatawid ang bola on their side. Galano heavily guarded by Abiog. Passing the ball to his teammate. Jersey number 4, no good. And the ball possession will go on the side of the Golden Knights. Tatawagan ng foul dito ang side ng Greyhounds.
Wow, man-to-man defense na yung pinapakita ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights to lessen the opportunity for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now Ateneo on the offense. Jersey number 10. Passes here. Pero traveling violation on that last sequence.
Now Hermosa to inbound. Hermosa to Galano. Greyhounds fires for that one, no good. And great steal on the side of the Ateneo.
Now Abyog tries for a three-pointer. No good. Now, Galano without rebound. Passes on the side.
Tight defense para dito sa Golden Knights. Offensive rebound on the side of the Greyhounds. Galano, bantay sarado dito. Sunga. At wala pa din para dito, pero Hermosa, no good on that second chance point sana on their side.
Ayan, ang daming lost opportunities sa side ng UNC Greyhounds dito. And we're stuck on 7-all. Pero bumawi agad itong si Botor ng Golden Knights for that big three. Having a change of momentum here as we approach the 3-minute mark of the game here.
UNC Greyhounds, Hermosa may hawak ng bola. Passing the ball to Sunga. Great block on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And with that, it's their ball possession and chance to add their lead. Abyog. Passing the ball to Botor.
Habana having that 2 points. At ngayon na yung ating Ateneo Golden Knights nakuha na yung 5 puntos na kalamangan dito. Now let's see, ano pang bawi dito ng Greyhounds. Galano tries for a 3-pointer, still no good here. Ngayon, ito yung kailangan pang paitingin ng UNC Greyhounds dahil nakita naman natin doon sa first few minutes of the first quarter, medyo nahihirapan sila sa kanilang opensa. And now they need to double their effort now dahil medyo lumalaki na yung kalamangan dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Galano again. Heavily guarded here. Passes to jersey number 16. 10 seconds to shoot.
And now Hermosa on that free throw opportunity.
Now Hermosa. First basket was good. Kahit yung mga free throws dito, kailangan na magawa ng paraan ng ating UNC Greyhounds to lessen that gap na nagawa doon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Hermosa for his second free throw. No good on that one. Now last free throw para dito kay Hermosa. And as we can see right now, wala pang masyadong gumagalaw on the side of the UNC Greyhounds aside from Galano. But now let's see, after this timeout, what will be the adjustment of both sides? Most especially the UNC Greyhounds dahil nasabi na nga natin kanina, medyo nahihirapan sila sa kanilang opensa. Ang daming opportunity na nakukuha nila pero hindi pa rin nila na ipapasok. So after this timeout, let's see if there will be adjustment on their offense side.
Ayan, Tina, banggit mo nga kanina na wala pang nagpapakita or nag-step up dito because again, nasa first quarter pa lang naman tayo. So first quarter jitters for both teams. But again, at this early point of game, dapat wag mo nang hayaan yung opponent mo na magkaroon or makabuild ng momentum because again, dadalhin nila ito on the upcoming quarters. So if you're on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, kailangan na ditong mag-step up nila Hermosa because on their previous game, Hermosa, Galano, Sunga, and Alano, sila yung mga standout players on the side of their team. So let's see, after this time out on the side of the UNC, rather, ang tumawag nga dito is the Ateneo Golden Knights. But ano kaya ang magiging sagot dito ng UNC Greyhounds sa pinapakitang napakagandang opensa dito ng Golden Knights? Yan ang aabangan natin dito sa pagpapatuloy ng ating first quarter.
At yan nga, Rick, pinag-uusapan na natin dito. yung mga players na kailangan talagang mag-stand out dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, which is dapat lahat talaga sila gumagalaw dito, not just one player. But on the other side, the Ateneo Golden Knights, lahat ng players dito talaga nag-contribute, may it be an offense or the defense on their side. Now let's see here as we continue this first quarter of the game. Botor, heavily guarded there. Jersey number 4 secured that rebound.
Nice rebound on the side of the Greyhounds, courtesy of Sunga. And now, Galano passing the ball to his teammate, Hermosa. Heavily guarded here. 7 on the shot clock. No good on that attempt. Again, nagkakaproblema sila dito when it comes to their offense. So dapat yun ang tutukan ng UNC Greyhounds dito sa ating natitirang 38 seconds so that when we enter that second quarter, talagang nakabuild na sila ng momentum and they need to step up at this time.
No good on that 3-point attempt. And this is an opportunity for the side of the UNC Greyhounds with 21 seconds remaining. Galano again, fires for 3, no good. Now, Golden Knights on the offense, remaining 14 seconds, loses it, but it will stay on their side with the remaining 11 seconds. Now with this one, kailangan nilang magkaroon ng magandang offense dito. While on the other side, hindi dapat pabayaan ng UNC Greyhounds sa makapuntos dito ang Golden Knights. Now, Yap goes inside, no good. Nagkakago dito ng bola.
And UNC Greyhounds with the ball possession. That's the end of our first quarter. The lead is on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. 12-9 on our scoreboard. We will be right back after this break.
Back for the second quarter of the matchup of the UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, let's take a look back doon sa ating first quarter kung saan nga medyo nahihirapan both the Ateneo and the UNC Greyhounds dito when it comes to the offense. But now, as we can see, low scoring pa rin po tayo.
Yes.
12-9 sa pagsimula ng ating second quarter. So now, let's see, ano ba yung pagbabago dito sa gameplay ng Ateneo na wala dito yung mga key players nila as well as on the side of the UNC Greyhounds dahil kitang-kita naman natin yung medyo mahirap na i-execute doon sa kanilang offensive side. But now, let's see as the Greyhounds here have that ball possession at agad naman na nabigyan tayo ng puntos dito ni jersey number 16 Salanga. Dahil dyan, isang puntos na lamang yung kanilang hinahabol dito against the Ateneo Golden Knights. But now, let's see, on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights with that 3-pointer, talagang binanatan agad itong ating Golden Knights. So let's see Ano yung magiging adjustment nila dito? Patuloy na gagawin ng Ateneo Golden Knights with the report of Via. Hi Via, anong balita natin dyan?
We're now in the second quarter and the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights are giving it their all. They've been aggressive on defense, forcing the UNC Greyhounds into tough situations while showing great teamwork on offense. The Greyhounds, however, are staying resilient, making key plays to keep the game close. Every possession counts in their high-stakes matchup, and the Knights are doing everything to maintain their edge. The energy in the gym here is electric, with the crowd rallying behind. That is all. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Via, for that update. So yon, Ateneo Golden Knights needs to be consistent at this second quarter for them na hindi maagaw ang lead na hawak nila. Because again, nakita nga natin, Tina, nabanggit mo na low scoring tayo dito. And let's see kung ang Ateneo Golden Knights ba is patuloy na aarangkada at hindi dito papalamangin or papaabantehin ang side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. And speaking of the UNC Greyhounds, let's call our courtside reporter Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita sa inyong kupunan?
Medyo nagpapatay ka ang energy ng dalawang kupunan na ito, trying to observe and make up a plan. Actually, earlier I saw a really good movement or a really good defense from Galano, which is the jersey number 23 of the Greyhounds. Excellent footwork and precision, even under pressure. Grabe, no? This just shows that the Greyhounds are determined to win today. Kaya approaching the second quarter, let's see if ano bang pagbabago sa kanilang momentum. Kaya rated sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, Galano, one of the key players of the UNC Greyhounds. Kitang-kita natin yung kanilang, o yung kanyang contribution dito para sa ating UNC Greyhounds. May it be on the defense or the offense na medyo hindi natin nakita ngayon sa laro doon sa first quarter ng Ateneo versus UNC dahil medyo nahihirapan dito si Galano to execute the point here. Pero isa talaga siya sa pinagkakatawalaan dito. So let's see if yung ibang players ng UNC Greyhounds dito ay mag-step up para makuha nila yung kanilang kalamangan against the Ateneo Golden Knights because dahil pagkatapos ng mga ilang minuto lamang po, agad nakuha ng Ateneo Golden Knights yung 8 puntos na kalamangan ngayon. So let's see, and as of the moment, it's their ball possession. They have the advantage here to really add a point. Now, Abyog gets that ball with 9 seconds to shoot here. Sarmiento, mid-range jumper, no good. Now, it's the ball possession of the Greyhounds here.
Now Greyhounds, they really need to get a point at this moment. Hermosa passing the ball to Galano. Hermosa, no good. Pero papasok dito. Ang shot na yon ni jersey number 16, Salanga.
Now, napakabilis lang nung oras natin dito sa ating second quarter. So every ball possession counts para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, Solomon, no good, and that attempt, this is an opportunity para dito sa UNC Greyhounds na maging sunod-sunod yung kanilang pagpuntos dito. But after that last sequence, medyo nahihirapan dahil sa defense ang ipinapakita ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And that will be a turnover as the referees called for a traveling violation. And with that, napatawag na nga ng timeout itong ating UNC Greyhounds. 19-13 with 5 minutes and 36 seconds remaining.
Ayan, Tin, syempre pasalamatan naman natin ang ating mga sponsors sa Bucal Season 6. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Converge ICT Solution Incorporated and Ravenous Communication Incorporated, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, BMEG, Alagang number 1, and Department of Agriculture, Bucal. Maraming salamat po. And again, this live is powered by Converge FiberX. And we are back sa pagpapatuloy ng second quarter match between the Greyhounds and the Golden Knights. 19-3, 5-point lead ang hawak dito. Or rather, 6-point lead ang hawak dito on the side of the Ateneo. So medyo mababa pa itong kalamangan na dapat bantayan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. If you're on the side of the Golden Knights, you need to have a lot of good offense para madagdagan itong kalamangan. And if you're on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, you need to chase this lead na hawak ng Ateneo dahil hindi pa naman ito lumolobo at this moment. So let's see kung anong adjustment ng dalawang team.
Now, Greyhounds on the offense. Sunga having that 2 points. At ngayon naibaba sa 4, but still, the UNC Greyhounds needs to be consistent here. Now, Abyog on the other side, long 2, in and out ball. Ngayon, napakalaking opportunity para sa Greyhounds.
So yan, nakikita naman natin dito na nagkakaroon ng problema when it comes to the offense ng Ateneo. So the UNC Greyhounds needs to maximize every ball possession. But at this moment, Solomon will force that one pero wala pa din.
Now Hermosa, pass to Golano. 19-15, they need to lessen that gap here. Now Sunga, heavily guarded here by Abyog. Galano ngayon, attempt for 3. At hanggang ngayon po nahihirapan si Galano sa 3-pointer. Galano again with the ball. Now tries to go inside. Pass to Sunga. Still no good here for the side of the Greyhounds. Now nagbabadali dito. Belano. Passes on the other side, loses it.
Poor connection para dito sa ating Ateneo.
And with that, another point conversion on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Ngayon, Belano, gagawa ng paraan dito. Pumahabol na yung ating UNC Greyhounds. And after that last sequence, a traveling violation. And because of that, a timeout was called by the Ateneo Golden Knights. Because as we can see right now, tuloy-tuloy na yung pagpuntos ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Napakaganda na after the timeout, bumalik muli sa momentum itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Kahit medyo nahihirapan pa rin si Galano doon sa kanyang mga outside shooting, yung ibang players talaga, most especially Hermosa, as well as yung ibang players pa ng ating UNC Greyhounds, talagang umaambag na sila ngayon dito dahil we only have 3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining. At dapat pagkatapos ng ating first half, makita natin na lahat ng players dito sa UNC Greyhounds talaga nag-contribute sa kanilang team to have that lead against the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ayan, Tin. Poor communication pala ang ibig kong sabihin on that last play. Again, magkakaroon tayo ng poor connection pag hindi tayo nag-subscribe sa ating Converge. Again, this live is powered by Converge FiberX. Na yan, napakaganda dito ng paghabol ng UNC Greyhounds. Though meron pa rin ditong hawak na kalamangan ng Ateneo. But at this moment, napakaganda ng pinapakita dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds, especially securing that rebounds na medyo nahihirapan nga dito ang Golden Knights when it comes to their offense. So every offense na nagpapalya on the side of the Golden Knights, talagang bantay dito itong UNC Greyhounds. That's why, if you're on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, those rebounds, you should convert it at least to a point for you to be able to get the lead na hawak ngayon ng Golden Knights.
At kitang-kita naman natin yung pagbabago ng gameplay dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. At yung sabi mo nga kanina, Rick, yung pagbawas ng pagpuntos dito ng ating Neo Golden Knights naging malaking advantage on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And after this timeout, this will be the ball possession of the Greyhounds here with just 2-point lead coming from the side of the Golden Knights here. Now let's see jersey number 12, heavily guarded here, loses the ball. So it's a steal from the side of the Golden Knights. Babawi ba sila dito? Na Fuchsia passes to Sarmiento. Now to Abyog. Back to Fuchsia with 15 seconds to shoot here. Now goes inside. Releases no good.
And now Sunga again securing that rebound. They need to convert a point at this moment. Now, great steal coming from the Golden Knights.
Ngayon, mukhang nakuha ulit ng Golden Knights yung kanilang momentum. Pero, hindi talaga pinabayaan ng UNC Greyhounds yan. Now, Sunga. Pass to Galano. 17 seconds to shoot here. Back to Sunga. Now, kailangan na ditong makapuntos. Galano, 10 seconds on the shot clock here. Pass on the inside, heavily guarded. Pinapik yung bola. And the ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. At ayan, quick shoutout lang tayo dito sa ating live audience. Shoutout kay Chan Shairo Nicolas, kay Kyla Casuya, kay Unibase, at kay Mercy Palpalatok. At ayan nga po, again, naubusan ng oras itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Sayang, ang dami na naman opportunity na nawawala dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. They need to be consistent right now because as we can see, the Ateneo Golden Knights bumabawi dito as we approach the 2 minutes and 12 seconds of the second quarter. And that will be a traveling violation on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So a back-to-back turnover para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Kaya talagang matindi yung labanan during the second quarter of the game.
Ayan, Tin, tsaka nakikita natin dito na napakabilis nitong second quarter and still low scoring po tayo. Everyone, again, ayaw talaga ng dalawang kupunan nito na palawakin or palakin pa ang hawak nilang kalamangan. So a very close and tight match between these two teams. So let's see kung sino makakakuha na ng upper hand sa pagpasok ng ating second half, because second half is very crucial para dito sa ating matchup because third and fourth quarter will be the deciding deciding quarter para dito sa ating match. Ay, napakaganda talaga ng ating matchup. That's why medyo nag-stumble tayo dito. Ayan, back to the ball game.
Now, we are tied on 19 all. Now, let's see if the UNC Greyhounds can have a lead here. O itong atin niya yung Golden Knights hindi papabayaan na makapuntos muli itong UNC Greyhounds. At ngayon, it will be an opportunity para sa side ng UNC Greyhounds to have this lead. A minute and 34 seconds remaining here. Now, jersey number 16, 14 seconds to shoot here for the side of the Greyhounds. Now, Hermosa, back to jersey number 16. 8 seconds on the shot clock here. Hermosa, heavily guarded by Botor, pero a whistled foul.
And again, ang kailangan din bawasan dito ng dalawang koponan is their fouls and of course their turnovers. Kaya naman medyo low scoring pa, but right now, deadlock at 19. Napakaganda ng pinapakita ng UNC Greyhounds at this point. They are taking advantage sa difficulty na nahaharap dito ng Ateneo when it comes to their offense. So, naitabla na dito ng Greyhounds ang kanilang score.
No good on that last attempt of Yap of the Greyhounds here. Pero ngayon, Pusha. Pass to Habana. Long two. In and out ball. Now, an opportunity for the side of the Greyhounds here with 53 seconds remaining.
Now, Salanga passing the ball to Galano. Taking their time here. 10 on the shot clock and 40 seconds para dito sa ating first half.
At ayan nga, Rick, naubusan ng oras itong ating UNC Greyhounds dyan. 29 seconds remaining for our first half here. A steal from the side of the Greyhounds. Galano goes inside, tries basket count with the foul. Now let's take a look at it again. Galano, talagang napakaganda ng performance niya dito as
He gets that one. Napakaganda nung fake na yon ni Galano. That's why hindi dito nabantayan ng mabuti ng Golden Knights ang layup na yon.
Now he will be on the free throw line here for a 3-point opportunity for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now this is a big opportunity para sa ating Greyhounds before the second quarter ends at naipasok niya pa yan. And after that free throw, a timeout was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. At kung makikita natin ngayon talagang every ball possession counts para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan dahil grabe din naman yung ipinapakitang opensa as well as the defense of the Ateneo and the UNC Greyhounds. Now we only have 19 seconds remaining for our first half at mamaya po sa ating pagkatapos po ng ating second quarter, papanoorin natin yung ating first half highlights of the game of the UNC and the Ateneo para sa mga hindi po nakapanood ng ating pagsisimula ng matchup na to. Let's watch the highlights maya-maya lamang po. Pero ngayon, Rick, maraming salamat din po sa ating live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Of course, yung mga supporters po on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights and from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, 19-22, a 3-point lead coming from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, let's see if after this timeout with the remaining time of 19 seconds, ano yung magagawa ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights to tie the game or even come close to that gap of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, 19 seconds. Back to the ball game here. It will be the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, the table has turned para dito sa natitirang 19 seconds and end of our first half. UNC on the upper hand.
Now, Fusha. Passes now to Obiog. 15 seconds to shoot here. Solomon. Back to Fusha. 10 seconds to shoot here. Back to Solomon. No good on that one. Now the UNC Greyhounds with us ball possession. At dyan nga po nagtatapos ang ating first half. 19-22 with the lead of the UNC Greyhounds. At papanoorin po natin ang ating mga highlights for the first half of the matchup of the Ateneo and the UNC Greyhounds only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng matchup, Greyhounds versus the Golden Knights. We are now in our second half. Pelano, maaagawan dito ang Golden Knights ng bola. Sunga, heavily guarded by Abiog, and now Galano.
Now Ateneo on the offense, 19-22 on our scoreboard. As we can see right now, a change of momentum here after the first half. Dahil kung maaalala po natin, during the first quarter of the game of the Ateneo and the UNC Greyhounds, the Ateneo Golden Knights has this advantage and the lead against the UNC Greyhounds. But now, Greyhounds having this 3-point lead against the Ateneo Golden Knights, ito yung kailangan nilang pangalagaan ngayon. And to really hold on to it, itong ating UNC Greyhounds. But now, let's see on our halftime analysis here. As we can see, ang daming steals po na nagawa dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, while on the turnovers, medyo napadami din dito sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds, which is one of the factors kung bakit medyo nahirapan sila during the early games or the early minutes of the first half against the Ateneo. But as we can see right now, we can see the determination on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now let's see here, Galano with the ball. 5 seconds to shoot here. Passes to the other side. At again, naubusan na naman ng oras itong ating UNC Greyhounds na ang daming opportunity during the first half. Palaging nauubusan ng oras itong ating UNC Greyhounds.
And now, Sarmiento on that free throw opportunity para maibaba dito ang kalamangang kailangan nilang habulin. But no good on that first attempt.
Now, the UNC Greyhounds still have this 3-point lead at wala pa po tayong puntos sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. But now let's see here as they still continue. We have this gameplay. Now to hear an update all the way from the side of the Greyhounds. Let's hear it from Zai. Hi Zai, any updates?
Ayan, thank you so much, Azai, for that update. UNC Greyhounds at this moment, bumabalik na naman sa kanilang medyo laylo na performance. That's why naihabol dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. But again, narinig ata ako dito ng Greyhounds. Nagpakawala ng tres dito ang kanilang kupunan. Now, back to their side ang lead ngayong third quarter. And to hear the other side of things, let's go Via. Hi Via, anong update dyan sa Ateneo Golden Knights?
The third quarter is underway and the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights are stepping up. They've been making smart plays, capitalizing on their opportunities and maintaining their defense intensity. However, the UNC Greyhounds are fighting back, showing why they're tough competitors. It's a back and forth battle on the court with both teams refusing to give an inch. The Knights will need to stay composed and focused if they want to pull ahead going into the final quarter. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Avia. Ayan nga, Focus ngayon sa defensive side itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And as we can see, nagiging effective yung ginagawa dito ngayon ng ating Golden Knights dahil naihabol nila ulit and we are tied at 25 all. But both teams are really determined to get this win this afternoon. Kaya talagang UNC and Ateneo ayaw bumitaw sa napaka-intense na laban pong ito. Now, Ateneo on the offense, Abyog. And that will be the ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds here. Now 6 minutes and 47 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Now let's see here. Hermosa.
Hermosa taking his time and looking for his teammate. Now, Sunga fights for that one, no good. And Solomon securing that one. Yup, maaagawan dito ng bola on the side of the Golden Knights. Galano, itatawid ang bola on their side. Sunga heavily guarded here. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Greyhounds. Hermosa, heavily guarded. Mapibitawan ang bola and Abyog with that long pass. Belano, no good, pero andoon si Solomon rather on the side of the Golden Knights to secure that point conversion.
Now, Sunga heavily guarded here. 27-25. 9 seconds. No good on that 3-point attempt. Abyog will try for the 3. And that's good para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. We can see their happy faces right now because as of the moment, back to 5-point lead po ang hawak ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And that will be an 8 seconds violation from the side of the Greyhounds. And as we can see right now, mukhang nawawala na naman doon sa plano nitong ating UNC Greyhounds. At the Ateneo Golden Knights taking advantage of the turnovers of the Greyhounds. Now, jersey number 16, Botor passes to Abyog. Now on the other side, 7 seconds, Sarmiento, fade away. Too short for that one.
Great steal. Coming from Sunga using his height. Now, Greyhounds. Kailangan nilang habulin dito ang 5 puntos na nawala sa kanilang kupunan. Galano looking for his teammate. 3 to shoot. And that's it. Shot clock violation was called on the side of the Greyhounds. Again, nakikita na naman natin dito yung struggles on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Hindi nila dito napapansin ang ating shot clock. And napakarami nung passing nila. That's why medyo nahihirapan sila when it comes to their offense. Let's see kung ano ang gagawin dito ng Ateneo to add their score.
At ayun nga, Rick, during the first half of the game, nakailan din na shot clock violation itong ating UNC Greyhounds. At kailangan bawasan nila ngayon dahil itong ating third quarter, sabi nga natin, most intense quarter of the game. Dito talaga natin kailangan i-build yung momentum ng kada players. But let's see, as this the Greyhounds ball possession, Sunga will try, no good. And the Ateneo, pero a steal from the side of the Greyhounds. Wala pa rin for that second chance. Now, Botor passes to Abyog now, 30-25. 5-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, 13 seconds to shoot here. Passes on the other side here. Steal from the side of the Greyhounds. Pagkakataon para mabawasan dito. Pero, that will be a traveling violation. Another turnover para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds.
Another crucial turnover on the side of the UNC Greyhounds because doon sa mga dumaan na minutes, talagang hindi pa dito nagkakaroon ng point conversion ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, Fusha with the ball.
Now, no good on that last sequence on the side of the Golden Knights here. Greyhounds on the offense. Natatawagan dito. Jersey number 6, Abiog. Now, Greyhounds passes to Galano. Galano now heavily guarded here. The pass is on the inside. Tries. And basket count with a foul here para dito kay Sunga. Now let's take a look at it again. Having that defense of the Ateneo. Sunga, nakuha pa yung puntos na yan with a foul. So a 3-point opportunity here for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Yap, back on the court para dito sa ating Golden Knights. At naidaba na nga ng UNC Greyhounds yung kalamangan dito ng Ateneo by 2. Now let's see what will they do now. Belano passes here to Yap. Yap goes inside. Papasok yung Amador. And
Great steal here coming from Yap. Rebound rather on the side of the Greyhounds. And now, Sunga with the ball, heavily guarded here by Solomon. Galano. Again, ball possession ng Greyhounds. Sunga looking for his teammate. 5 to shoot para dito sa Greyhounds. Forcing that one, no good. And Belano securing that one.
now, Yap. Libreng-libre para sa layup na yan. And with that, the 4-point lead coming from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights here. 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining.
Now, Salanga. May hawak ng bola. And another shot clock violation was called on the side of the Greyhounds. Again, kanina pa natin nakikita itong shot clock violation. But right now, great steal on the side of their team. Sunga, no good on that mid-range jumper.
Now, Ateneo on the offense here. 32-28. Now, on the other side, para dito kay Yap, making sure to convert a point. Now, tumataas na naman po yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see if babawi dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds with only 12 seconds to shoot. Grabe kasi yung defense ang pinapakita ngayon ng Ateneo, kaya nahihirapan yung ating UNC Greyhounds here to convert a point.
And now, timeout was called on the side of the Greyhounds kasi yun nga, tama ka, Tin. Medyo lumalayo na naman dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights. Napatawag na nga ng timeout ang kupunan dito ng ating Greyhounds. And a short shout out naman tayo, Tin, sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out dito kay RJ Base, kay Carlian Bailon, at kay Seb Pelonia. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter, and the snapshot on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Making sure na magiging maganda ang kanilang pagtatapos dito sa ating third quarter.
At ayan nga, Rick, kung mapapansin natin, palitan ng momentum itong ating Ateneo and UNC Greyhounds. But after this third quarter ends, kailangan na talagang ibigay yung buong depensa at opensa nitong ating Ateneo and UNC, because this will be the deciding quarter kung sino nga ba ang kukuha ng panglimang pwesto para sa pagpasok ng ating quarterfinals. Now we are back on the ball game with the Ateneo Golden Knights having the 6-point lead. Now with 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining, let's see what will be the adjustment after this timeout from the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Ayan, medyo tahimik ngayon si Galano para sa ating third quarter. 5 to shoot para dito sa Greyhounds. Galano to inbound. And now, Salanga, libreng-libre pero wala. Hindi pumasok yung shot na yon. And now, Ateneo with the ball possession.
Yup, tries, no good. Rebound from the side of the UNC Greyhounds here. 52 seconds remaining.
Another opportunity on their side. Salanga, no good. Yup, securing that ball.
No, ito yung kailangan ng UNC Greyhounds doon sa kanilang opensa dahil nga hindi masyadong nakaka-convert ng point dito. They really need to make sure that every ball possession counts para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, Sarmiento passes on the corner. No good at that attempt. Hermosa with that rebound. 25 seconds remaining for our third quarter.
Great steal coming from Solomon. And a point conversion for him. Napakaganda para dito sa pagtatapos ng ating third quarter match. Now, Hermosa passing the ball to Salanga. Salanga, mauubusan dito ng oras. And that's the end of our third quarter, 36-28. Magbabalik po kami for our fourth and deciding quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here sa loob ng Adnu Gymnasium for our fourth and final quarter, the full stretch para dito sa dalawang kupunan to secure the fifth spot on our juniors division standing. This is a very crucial match because dadali nila itong momentum na ito pagpasok ng ating quarterfinals. So kaabang-abang ang mga susunod pang matches dito sa Bucal Season 6 kaya tutok lamang po tayo. And follow, subscribe on Oragon Sports TV para lagi tayong updated. No good on the 3-point attempt coming from Belano. And now Greyhounds with the ball possession. Turnover, unfortunately, on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. So another opportunity to add their lead here on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Abiog looking for his teammate. And a great steal. Ito na ba ang hinahanap na point conversion ng ating UNC Greyhounds? And a foul was called on the side of the Golden Knights.
At ayan nga, Rick, 36-28 on our scoreboard. Before the third quarter ends, talagang binaliktad na ng Ateneo Golden Knights yung kanilang momentum dito at talagang kinuha muli yung kalamangan na nagawa ng paraan ng UNC Greyhounds. At para dito sa ating fourth quarter, ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito? Because this will be the last opportunity for both the Ateneo and the UNC Greyhounds. Most especially, itong Greyhounds, yung naghahabol ngayon sa puntos ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
So yan ang aabangan natin dito para sa ating deciding quarter. Now, 36-29. Ano kayang gagawing paghabol ng Greyhounds? And speaking, on the side of the Greyhounds, ready na dito mag-report si Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita sa inyong kupunan?
Brigadier, here we are on to the last 10 minutes of this battle. So close yet so far nga ang mantra ng scores ng Greyhounds and ng Ateneo. As the Greyhounds stand firm, we can see them demonstrate a man-to-man defense from time to time, along with some 2-1-2. The screening is now passed on to Shuha, which is jersey number 4, which was commonly the shooter during the third quarter. They also gained more confidence. Yeah, let's expect them to bounce back further this fourth quarter. Balik mo na sa inyo, Tinan Rick.
Thank you so much, Azai. Ayan, bounce back itong ating UNC Greyhounds because the game is not yet finished for both teams right now, and they have the opportunity here to get the 5th spot. Will it be the Ateneo or the UNC Greyhounds? But as we can see right now, naibaba na nga sa 7 puntos yung kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights. So what will be the adjustment on their defensive side para maiwasan yung patuloy na pagpuntos ng UNC Greyhounds dito? And to hear an update from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, we have our courtside reporter, Via. Hi Via, anong balita natin dyan?
It's the 4th and final quarter, and the Knights are leaving everything on the court. With the 5th spot on the line, they've been executing under pressure, making key stops and converting on big plays. The UNC Greyhounds, however, are not making it easy as they continue to fight until the very last second. This game has been a showcase of heart and determination, and the Knights are pushing hard to come out on top. The crowd is on their feet, cheering for every play. This is the kind of game that defines Bucal basketball. That is all. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Via, for that update. So yun nga, the Ateneo spirit talagang damang-dama dito sa ating matchup na ito. And nabanggit nga dito ni Via na yung 5th spot talagang mapapa sa kanila para dito sa araw na ito. Let's see kung patuloy bang aarangkada dito ang kanilang kupunan, knowing na napakaganda ng pinapakita dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Ang kailangan nila ditong bawasan is ang kanilang turnovers because the UNC Greyhounds taking advantage of every turnovers na nakukomit on their side. That's why, as we can see on our scoreboard, back to 6-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Adnu. So, ilang ball possession lang to ng UNC kayang habulin. So, consistency is the key for both teams.
Now, after that last sequence on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, another point conversion here. Big thanks to Sarmiento. Now, 39-31, a big 8-point lead coming from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, let's see what will be the answer here of the UNC Greyhounds. At ngayon po, nagkakaagawan na ng bola. As we can see, both teams are really determined here.
So, kanino mapupunta ang ball possession? It's on the side of the Greyhounds. Hermosa to inbound. Hermosa passing the ball to Salanga. And Salanga, no good on that attempt. Another wasted opportunity on their side. Now, Abiog and the rest of the Golden Knight squad. Ano kayang gagawin dito?
Now let's see as the Ateneo continues to get a point here, pero no good on that last attempt on the side of the Golden Knights. Now Galano passes to jersey number 16, now goes inside with 15 seconds to shoot here. Still no good para dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. At hanggang ngayon po, 8 puntos pa rin yung hawak ng Ateneo Golden Knights at parehong kupunan nahihirapan doon sa kanilang opensa dito. Talagang pagalingan na lang doon sa depensang ipinapakita nila. Now, jersey number 14, Solomon and Yap back on the court from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Hermosa.
Itatawid ang bola on the side of Greyhounds. Heavily guarded here by Belano. Napakagandang depensa ang pinapakita ng Golden Knights. Makakalusot dito ang Greyhounds at wala pa din on that last sequence on that attempt. Talagang napakaganda sana dito ng ginagawa ng Greyhounds. Pero they need to make sure na magkakaroon sila ng magandang opensa for them to have a point na madadagdag at may bababa ang kalamangang hawak ng Golden Knights.
Yes, ngayon masyadong nagmamadali itong ating UNC as well as the Ateneo kung kaya hindi nila nasisigurado yung pagdagdag ng puntos sa kanilang kupunan. Now, we're almost halfway through the fourth quarter of the game, still stuck on 39-31 here. Now let's see here on the side of the Greyhounds if they can convert a point, but still, by Belano passes now to Solomon, loses that ball. And it will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. 6-minute mark here for our final quarter.
Now, Greyhounds basketball. Another chance, another opportunity para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Hermosa. Heavily guarded by Fusio. And now Galano. Again, medyo tahimik siya ngayon in our game. Heavily guarded here. No good. And yep, securing that ball. Ateneo on the offense.
18 seconds to shoot here on the side of the Golden Knights. No, Yap! Lost opportunity again for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
And napapansin ko kanina pa, wala pang puntos na nagagawa itong dalawang kupunan para dito sa ating fourth quarter. And remember, tumatakbo ang oras. We are halfway through this match. 5 minutes and 1 second. Yup, with that steal. And now Fusio passing the ball to Solomon, and Solomon delivers.
And with that, a 12-point lead. Double-digit lead na po ang nagagawa ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And as we can see on that last sequence, with the good communication between Solomon, Yap, as well as Fusio, nagawa nila ng paraan yan at muling ibinalik sa 10 ang kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And as of the moment, with the remaining time of 4 minutes and 48 seconds, ano kaya yung maging adjustment dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds? Dahil hirap na hirap sila doon sa opensa, and talagang itong mga players natin, most especially Galano, na tumahimik sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter. Now, the rest of the players of the UNC Greyhounds needs to step up para makuha nila yung kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na ito against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, as we are going back to the ball game, titinan natin kung tuloy-tuloy yung pagpuntos ng Ateneo Golden Knights o may gagawin itong ating UNC Greyhounds to get their momentum again dito sa remaining 4 minutes and 48 seconds of the game.
Ayan, medyo mahaba-haba pa naman itong 4 minutes na ito. So let's see. And we cannot conclude yet kung sino ang mananalo between these two teams. And now, ball possession ng Greyhounds. Hermosa. Itatawid ang bola. No room for turnover para sa kanilang kupunan with that fast break, and wala pa din, again struggling with their offense. Yap with that layup, and as you can see on that screen, Yap delivering that one. And now Greyhounds basketball. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Greyhounds. Hermosa passing the ball to his teammate. And a basket count para dito sa Greyhounds.
Kudos to Galano na talagang binibigay yung lahat para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Now, still a 10-point lead here and a ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Sarmiento to Yap! A great communication and assist coming from Sarmiento. Grabe, walang papaawat dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see kung ano nga ba yung sagot dito ng Greyhounds. 45-33. And another steal from the side of the Golden Knights. Yap again with the ball, loses it. And that will be the ball possession. And with that, the timeout was called here from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And as we can see, 12-point lead yung hawak po ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, medyo malaki yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, and with the remaining time of 3 minutes and 29 seconds, medyo mahaba pa yung oras natin. Pero kung gustong humabol nitong ating UNC Greyhounds, kailangan gawin na nila ngayon bago pa magpatuloy-tuloy pa yung pagpuntos ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ayan, again, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngowen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat. And of course, Pocari Sweat, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating mga sponsors. Ayan, back to the ball game. And the ball possession will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Or rather, Ateneo Golden Knights, Abiog to inbound. No good. Great rebound on the side of the Greyhounds. Nice tight defense shown on the side of the Golden Knights. Offensive rebound para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. And another shot clock violation was called on their side. A painful, crucial error para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Kasi kanina pa nangyayari ito on their side ang magkaroon ng shot clock violation. Again, they need to maximize their ball possession.
Mukhang hanggang ngayon, Rick, hindi pa rin nagagawa ng paraan ng UNC Greyhounds yung kanilang shot clock violation dito. Now, the players needs to be aware of the time here. Most especially itong ating Greyhounds na laging nauubusan ng oras dito. Now, they're on the offense now. 10 seconds on the shot clock here. Now, Hermosa passes to Galano. 8 seconds on the time. Goes inside. Heavily guarded here, denied. Tries, and Galano gets it.
Back to 10-point lead para dito sa ating matchup na ito. Abiog, passing the ball to Solomon. In and out ball. Rebound para dito sa Greyhounds. Hermosa, itatawid ang bola.
Now, they need to take advantage of this. 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining. At ang ating UNC Greyhounds naghahabol pa rin ng 10 puntos dito. Now, Galano again for the fadeaway shot. Mukhang umaapaw ngayon yung laro dito ni Galano. And this is what the UNC Greyhounds needs right now. Dahil paubos na ng paubos yung oras na meron na natitira sila ngayon dito. Now, Ateneo on the offense. Now, Sarmiento goes inside. An easy 2 para dito sa big man ng Ateneo.
Napakagandang desisyon na ipasa dito kay Sarmiento. Ang last play na yon on the side of the Golden Knights. So another 2 point was added on their side. Back to 10-point lead ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. And Hermosa makakakuha din dito ng point conversion. And a timeout was called on the side of the Ateneo, the Naga Junior Golden Knights. Talagang sinisigurado na dito ng Golden Knights na sa kanila mapupunta ang 5th spot. 47-39 on our scoreboard. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining para sa larong ito. So, sabi mo nga kanina, paunti ng paunti yung kailangang oras na gawin dito on the side of the Greyhounds if they want to chase the lead or even clutch this game and get that 5th spot on our Juniors Division standing. So napakaganda ng ipapakita pa dito ng dalawang kupunan na ito.
And as you can see right now, the UNC Greyhounds naging sunod-sunod yung kanilang pagpuntos dito nung mga huling minuto ng fourth quarter, which is mas maganda kung nagawa nila nung pinakauna pa, because as of right now, it will be hard for the side of the UNC Greyhounds with 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining at 8 puntos pa yung kailangan nilang habulin. Talagang hindi papatalo din itong ating Ateneo, because this will be their ball possession, and they need to make sure that this will be a basket count for this possession. Now Belano passes on the other side here, 15 seconds to shoot, back to Belano. Now, goes to the other side. Yap! Pupunta dito kay Solomon. Solomon! No good on that attempt.
Now, UNC Greyhounds with the ball possession. Hermosa. Heavily guarded here. And a pushing foul was called on the side of the Golden Knights.
40 seconds remaining here. Galano. Still a big gap here. Galano, long three. No good. Offensive rebound. Jersey number 16 now. Uubusan ng oras. And again, problema ng UNC Greyhounds from the very start. Shot clock violation para sa kanilang kupunan dito. Now with that remaining 26 seconds, we're just waiting for the confirmation here, because it will be hard for the side of the UNC Greyhounds na habulin pa yung malaking kalamangan ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now 17 seconds remaining. A good match para dito sa araw na ito between the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. Congratulations on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights for securing that 5th spot para dito sa ating play-in round. And congratulations also on the side of the Greyhounds for showing us great basketball game sa araw na ito. We will be right back to know who is our best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And our best player of the game is brought to us by Ateneo de Naga University. And together with me is our best player of the game, jersey number 5, Joseph Yop. 10 points, 9 rebounds, 2 steals, and 1 block. So congratulations on your win against the UNC Greyhound. So it was an intense game with the UNC. How did your team prepare for this match-up against UNC to secure your 5th spot on our juniors division?
First of all po, nagsunod lang po kami sa coaches namin. Pero nung first po, it was rough. Pero nung nag-halftime po, nag-adjust na lang po kami sa mga sinasabi ng coach at sinunod po namin.
Ayan, thank you so much. And ano pa ang aabangan namin sa Ateneo Junior Golden Knights on to our quarterfinal round?
Coming to the quarterfinals, mas magpupursige po kami mag-improve to make our team better. And yun po, mas maging hungry para po manalo, mas maging hungry.
Ayan, again, congratulations. So I will give you now the floor to shout out or batiin yung mga supporters ng inyong kupunan.
Shoutout po sa nanay ko and my father and sa mga tropa ko and my Ateneo community po. To my friends, Bonhara, Jander Latuga, and yun po.
Ayan, again, congratulations, Joseph, on your win. This is a big win on the side of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. So tutok lamang po tayo sa iba't ibang game pa dito sa Bucal Season 6. Again, my name is Rick Puerta together with our best player of the game, Joseph Yap, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And that's our best player of the game from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, Joseph Yap. Napakagandang performance po. At ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights magsistay pa rin po sa ating top 5 spot for the quarterfinals.
Ayan, talagang kaabang-abang ang mga matches dito sa Bucal Season 6. Lalong-lalo na ang susunod nating matchup, UNC Greyhounds versus the CSPC Blue Stallion. Abangan yan only here at Oragon Sports TV. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Canzo Reyes. And of course, big thanks sa ating mga courtside reporter na nakasama kanina via as well as yan ang ating mga courtside reporter. At mamaya po, abangan po natin ang magagandang bakbakan.